Fine thread. It's a self-tapper.
Look at the size of that thing. Gee, that's a big thread. All right, we got a cheap ass light we bought here. So I bought.
Second one. Cheap ass.
Yeah.
A nice tail light, just low quality.
Yeah, it's low quality. Those threads feel like they're all galling up in there.
I guarantee that was a self-tap when it went in. A little mark in the front of it. No, maybe not.
Not self-tapping. No, those are nut certs.
Are they?
Yeah.
Those are even bad too.
So this is a Model A light.
In lieu of the 32 style.
So that is a 32 light, and then 33 light it has is big on both sides. 33 to 35 light. So I got black, and this is LED. Yep. LED will take more vibration than incandescent bulbs will.
Burns less juice.
I don't care about burning juice. I care about the light staying on. And you can put it on that way or the other way.
A little on the bottom.
I don't know. What's a clear light? Does it have a clear light on it or not?
Pardon me?
Is there a clear light on the other side?
A clear light where?
It's not the right one.
I don't know what you mean, a clear light.
It's not have a license plate light on it.
Oh. On the bottom, it doesn't, does it?
It's supposed to have one with license plate light.
When you bought it, it had one?
It's supposed to be. They sent me the wrong light. This is the right side, ain't the left side.
You need to put the screws back in.
Dumbasses.
Yep, no license plate light.
More delays on this project. Well, while we're good this far, let's see if it'll fit. At least we'll find out if it works or not. Rely on eBay. I searched for 5 hours trying to find tail light that I could get in a reasonable time frame.
Yeah, it'll fit.
Fits on there. Close socket clears too.
Yeah, perfect. Take the cover off, I want to see inside.
Yeah, there's no bulbs underneath to light the license plate. You'll see how bright it is?
Yeah, do that
And I got two jumpers here. There you go, sir. One goes pot, one goes to ground.
Hook them both up?
Well, you have to have a ground for it to work.
No, I know, but you want to hook both lights up?
We'll just
do it
check
separately.
We'll check them each independently.
Okay.
Make sure you smoke it for me.
Which one's hot?
I don't know.
You used to know.
I'm assuming red's hot, but I don't know.
I remember that time we had a little trouble with that?
Isn't black cold
No, I
and
mean
red's hot?
on the battery.
On the battery?
Which side is which?
See that big cable coming off the frame?
Is that the red?
That'd be a negative.
Where? This side.
The big cable coming off the frame is negative.
Yeah, that's on this side. Okay.
Ooh, that is bright.
That's only the top half, so that's the running light. No, that'll probably be the running light, the
That's
other
the
one.
brake light, I think.
Yeah.
I would make that
That's
the
how you
brake
want to
light.
wire it in, I guess.
No, that'd be a different brightness. Why do you take everything off?
I want to take the bottom of it.
You don't have to take one wire to move it.
They got separate grounds.
Oh,
Independent.
geez. You are independent, that's the problem. Can't believe they sent me the wrong damn light.
I know.
Dumbass.
Boom.
So much for getting this thing done this weekend. That's definitely tail light.
That's tail. Another one was brakes went off.
Well, flip the other one. You gotta do that quicker than that.
Okay, here we go.
I can't see the video that quick between two.
You said you just only use one wire? I don't think so. Well, is that fast enough?
Oh, that's definitely brighter.
Brake, yeah. Okay, well, it fits.
So the fact that we have no, other than that there's no damn license plate light, it's a nice light.
Yeah, other than that.
Yeah, it's supposed to have a big glass lens.
Nobody could
on the
make it
bottom.
work in that frame, huh?
It's supposed to be a big glass lens.
Just like that one has.
Just like that one.
Nobody could put that frame on these lights.
Oh, this is a Duro thing. Duro lamp.
Is that a real Ford one?
It's one of the brands that I was finding.
Oh. I'm so curious what this is a word right
These
there.
lights are anywhere from low 20s to over $100.
Wow, really?
Between what year it is, LED, not LED, black, chrome, you name it. There's so damn variations.
32 Ford costs more.
But there's nothing available. It's all 2 weeks, 3 weeks out.
Now you could run your tail light right there to this thing too, the same splice. Isn't that going to be just a running light up here?
No, those wires are different.
Are they?
These wires are down low. These ones are going to be along the fender coming down through here.
Oh, okay.
But and it blacks and matched everything. So yeah, the light looks good. It's just a piece of crap I can't use.
Yeah, got a license plate lens in it.
You want to pull it apart and look at it? You said?
Oh, kind of.
Yeah, I'd rather not. They might
The
skip the
screws
screws.
are already in there crooked, so
Yeah, I don't think it cause more issues than it's worth.
I seen the light.
Damn
already,
it!
so.
Can't make no headway on this bike. I like the light though. It looks good.
Yeah,
I think it looks better than the
plastic's
one-piece
good,
lens.
yeah.
It's definitely got enough light, especially when you put those two other ones in there.
I'll push out luck tightening these down too much.
Yeah, I already did, but yeah. Damn it! I can't believe I sent me the wrong damn one.
Free return shipping.
It doesn't matter. eBay will make them take it back. But the thing is, I need the other light. You sent me the wrong damn light. So they said it'd be here Friday. This is Thursday. Yeah, good. I figured it'd be a day early. They're in California. Don't tighten it all the way. But it's just, you know, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. What am I going to do?
Yeah, not the right one.
You got to have a license plate. What's the box say on it?
It's a Model A light or something.
Vintage Model A light. L. It's left.
You go put the other one you have upstairs.
Right there. It's supposed to be left. R is right.
The right one has a license plate on it.
Left one is license plate. That's what all
Huh?
the books say. That's what all the damn
Well,
other,
the Chevy has it on the oh, it was on the left side. You're right. Yeah,
they all say when you look at the lights, the left one has the license plate, right one doesn't.
yeah.
That box on the part number has L on it for the light, and then the or left. I mean,
Yeah.
but the R is the right one.
Yeah.
But they got the right light in the wrong box. So much for that one.
Yep.
Oh well.
We'll get it done as soon as it gets in here.
We'll still work on the other stuff. Tomorrow's project. Just can't get anything happening. Oh well. That's it for tonight, I guess.